Hi friends, this video shows how to check software version. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, select settings icon. Go to device preferences, set about. Enter about. Here we can see version. Here version shows 10. That means this TV uses Android TV OS version 10. So let me update this. Go to system update. Now it's checking for update. Okay, done. It shows new update available. Version of this new update is Android TV OS version 12.1.1. Size of the update is 762 MB. On right side you can see one download button. Select that button. That way we can download and install this update in this TV. So this way we can check for software version. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.